Looking to start a business that makes a difference in people's lives? Here's a step-by-step guide to launching your own non-medical home care business in Indiana. With Indiana's growing senior population and their preference for in-home care, the demand for these services has never been higher. Step 1. Start with a solid business plan. Define your services such as companionship, meal preparation, and assistance with daily tasks. Outline your target market, pricing strategy, and growth goals. Step 2. Choose the right legal structure. Whether it's a sole proprietorship or an LLC, your decision will impact taxes, liability, and regulatory requirements. Step 3. Register your business with the Indiana Secretary of State and obtain a tax identification number from the IRS. Step 4. Prepare your policies and procedures. Indiana requires detailed guidelines for client care, staff training, and safety standards. Step 5. Submit your application to the Indiana Department of Health. Be ready for inspections to ensure compliance with state regulations. Step 6. Once approved, you'll receive your license. This is your gateway to starting operations and building trust with clients. Step 7. Secure insurance for your business and hire compassionate, well-trained staff. Delivering high-quality care is the foundation of your success. With dedication and preparation, you can make a meaningful impact in your community while building a thriving business. Ready to take the leap? Start today. Subscribe for more home care business and licensing tips. Visit www.carepolicy.us today to book your consultation. Thanks for watching.